Magandang umaga Pilipinas and good morning America. Pupunta pala kami ngayon sa Birmingham or sa may immigration. Para sa aking biometrics, kailangan nila kasing i-scan ang lahat ng aking mga daliri. Gusto ko na rin sana pati pa ako. Charot. Kailangan din nila akong picturean para makita nila kung gaano kaganda ang isang Pilipina. Charot lang. But seriously, o English yarn, kailangan nila talaga akong picturean and collect my biometrics dahil para ito sa aking change status or para sa aking green card. Alas 10 ng umaga yung aming appointment pero alas 6 pa lang ay lumarga na kami. Dahil ang biyahe mula Huntsville to Birmingham ay aabot din halos 2 oras. Tennessee River. At ito na nga, mas mainam ang maaga para iwas aberya. Sabi kasi nitong asawa ko ay baka kami ay matraffic. Na yung sinasabi niyang traffic ay wala sa kalingkingan ng traffic sa bansang Pilipinas. May naalala ako dito sa daan na ito na parang papasok na kami sa SLEX. Na parang papuntang Dao. Charot. So, ito na nga, yung traffic dito sa Alabama, Amerika. Aba, ito na pala yung traffic dito. Wala na bang mas traffic dito? Charot. Kung itong asawa ko ay ayaw ang mga ganitong eksena, aba, ako naman ay ito yung pinaka-paborito kong eksena. Charot. Nakakatuwa kaya. Namimiss ko na kasi ang traffic sa Manila, yung tipong aabutin ka ng siyam-siyam bago makarating sa paroroonan.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. Shout from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
So ito na nga, alas 9 nang kami ay makarating dito sa syudad ng Birmingham. Medyo maaga-aga pa kaya nag-stop over muna kami dito sa Waffle House para magkape. Kape. At ito na nga, pagkatapos naming nag-agahan ay lumarga na ulit kami para hanapin ang office ng USCIS. Townhomes. We are in Birmingham already, right? Birmingham. Okay. So, yeah. This townhouse is Beacon. Beacon. Why do you call it Beacon?
Street.
Beacon Street. So, yeah. Hinahanap namin yung Beacon. This is a good place. Is that Walgreens Pharmacy? Malapit lang pala ang Beacon Street sa may Walgreens pero hindi namin napansin yung sign kaya nakalagpas kami. Look at that house. It's cute. No sign. Hinahanap namin.
apartment up here.
Building 2.
Look.
The mountain. Here. Are we here? Baby mo.
Let me see it again.
Wow, that's
Nice view.
yeah.
I'm gonna guess at what the rent is each month.
Yeah, I know.
2,000.
Because of the view. I know. 529. Let me see. Suite 106. Number ng building. Tahimik dito, parang walang tao. So yun, nandito na kami sa Birmingham. Pupunta kami sa US Citizenship and Immigration. Hi mga kabeshi, nandito na kami. So hinahanap ng aking Josawa yung building kung saan yung office nila. So yeah, siya lang yung bumaba, ayaw niya akong mapagod. No. Tahimik dito, parang walang tao. Wala pa siya. Inikot niya ata yung buong building. So, alas 10 pa naman yung aming appointment. So, ang gagawin namin dito is para sa aking biometric tapos picture para sa aking green card. Yeah, mga kabeshi. So, ayan na siya. I told you.
You didn't tell me.
So, eto na nga. Natapos na akong kuhanan ng picture at biometric. Hindi ko na kayo nadala sa loob dahil bawal mag-video doon. So, ayun na nga. After namin doon, ay dumaan muna kami dito sa Ave Maria Grotto. At abangan nyo na lang ang aking next kong upload.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.